So we just want to quickly talk about your responsibility for the EC2 storage and AWS's responsibility. Now for AWS is responsible for the infrastructure. So the storage which you simply rent on AWS, they're responsible for that. Okay, and the AWS is also responsible for the replication for data for your EBS volumes and EFS drives. So in situations where you have a storage, they are going to make a replication for it. Okay, because if anything happens to where you simply store your files, okay, so AWS is responsible for that. Okay, so AWS does make a replication so that in case anything happens to the machine, they have a backup for that. Okay, so AWS is also responsible for replacing faulty hardware. So if anything happens to any of the hardwares in the data center, AWS is responsible for that. And then lastly, AWS is also responsible for ensuring their employees cannot access your data. Of course, there's going to be security around the data center, and specifically the storage and all of the devices that are being rented in the cloud. Okay, and for you, your responsibility is simply setting up backup and snapshots procedures. Okay, so if in case you probably lost your files, if you don't make backup or snapshots, that may be some not nice thing. So you want to make backup snapshots. You are responsible for that. That's up to you. You're also responsible for setting up data encryption. Okay, so even though your files are, your data are secure, it's also a best practice to also encrypt it. Okay, so, and again, you're also responsible for any data on the drive. Okay, so whatever data is on the drive, definitely you are responsible for it. And then you must make sure you put in security, even though AWS has security enough, but security is never always enough. So you can always do the necessary things, add a second layer of security to it. Okay, and also understanding the risks of using EC2 instance storage. So you are responsible for it. So in situations where you might need some certain kind of storage or instance store, okay, if you know instance store actually stores temporary files, so you don't in one way or the other want to store files you are going to access or use for a long time. Okay, so you should also understand the risk of that. Okay, so that's the shared responsibility between you and AWS.